my fellows, I'm April, and this weekend my family and I and my husband are all gonna go on a camping trip to Jellystone in Warrens, Wisconsin. Jellystone takes after Yogi Bear and that cartoon. Sites dress up their campsites all Halloweenish, and kids come and get candy from all the campsites, and there's a contest to see which campsite is decorated the best. And I think we've gotten close in past years, but we'll see. It should be fun. So I made these cool like apple bread that has brown sugar and oats on the top of it, which is pretty cool. And then I made these apple muffins that also have brown sugar on the top. And we've had some of those already, and it's super good. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. What does your cup say?
It says, may cause irrepressible happiness.
Wow. So we decided to make a stop at Caribou because I was a bit tired and needed some caffeine because we got up a bit early to get going and get packed for our camping trip. So I got a maple mocha with some chocolate in it. I don't think it normally is a mocha with chocolate, but I made it one. So yeah. We're just waiting for a bit because we're a bit ahead of my parents and they need to get to the campsite first because they're paying for it. So we're just sitting here with our coffee and laptops. Guys, guess what I'm wearing? Sunglasses because it's sunny. It's been raining non-stop for like the past week. Wouldn't you say?
Yep.
So it's amazing. We finally have sun and it's so nice. The rainy and like gloominess is not so fun. Hey guys, I wasn't able to film last night because we got in the dark, and then we had dinner and got everything all set up and tried to find the movie that was supposed to play, but it was canceled. So we just sat by the fire and talked, and it was nice. And so today they did pumpkin chucking. My dad, Timothy, and Luke. Luke won last time we did this. So let's see how they do.
I'm going for like distance and height.
Well, you just do both.
I'm trying, and then if it explodes on impact, it explodes, but
I think when I did this for you, mine was actually
There's Dad. He picked out his pumpkin. Got your pumpkin? Wow.
she's recording.
Yep.
Look, I can juggle.
Wow, that's so amazing.
I know, isn't it?
Oh my God.
That's crazy with just one even.
I know,
wow. Right? All right, is this the adults one?
Yeah.
I know. That was actually Josh's. I stole.
So we usually have coffee every morning, but we didn't want to bring our whole entire coffee maker, and we thought about getting a stovetop coffee maker, but forgot about it. So I made sure that we had some caffeine tea. So I made me some tea. It's chai and put a bit of milk in it and honey, and I had it last night too, and it was really good. Matthew's gone for the ever so classic hot cocoa. Did you get marshmallows in it?
No.
No marshmallows?
No marshmallows.
Oh man.
Oh wow.
Making hash browns. Oh yeah. They're slowly getting brown.
Very slowly.
Since it's Halloween weekend at the campsite, we're going to to decorate our campsite and make it all Halloweenish, but it'll probably take a while, so I'm gonna do a time lapse and fast forward that. Whoa. Golf cart adventure.
Yep.
Hi.
Hi.
Yogi Bear. There he is, and Boo Boo, I think, is the other guy's name. Yeah. Wow, they're scary. Making some cobbler. Yeah.
I have no idea where we're at. 115?
That's how many kids we've had?
Something like that, yeah.
Wow. Cobbler. It looks good.
It does. It looks really good.
It looks delicious.
Unlike,
If I can get
Alright,
it.
we might need a serving spoon.
yeah, potentially.
Is there something in the...
Yeah, we'll just have to get it again.
There's more apples on the bottom, so
I mean, I was trying to get to the bottom.
dig down.
Ready to play candy bar bingo?
Yeah.
Are you gonna win?
Yes, I am.
Oh my.
Why are you thinking so hard?
Because I can, because I have whiskers. I can do this.
We're playing candy bar bingo. We had to give them a candy bar to get our scoreboards, and then if we win, we get a pile of candy.
Candy!
It's snowing, but the trees are still pretty. Wow. And then over here you have all the snow starting to collect. But it looks kind of cool. I mean, snow can be pretty, right? Sure. I thought I would end the video. I realized I hadn't yet. The last clip you'll have seen is from it snowing. We packed up when it started to snow actually, but as you can see from the driving snow clip is that it was kind of pretty. Let me know if it was snowing where you are, or if where you are it never snows, if you like snow. And let me know if you liked seeing our little camping excursion, and let me know if you like to camp and if you would camp in the snow. I don't know, it was a bit cold. But remember to like and comment and subscribe if you haven't already. You should do that. If you are subscribed, hi, thanks for subscribing, and I will see you all soon. Thanks, bye.